Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Young Mooski.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, my name is Ifia. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So guys, I really wanted to do a talk through tutorial with you guys, but it's so hard for me to do because I've got my kids playing around and there's so much noise in the background. And I know most people won't mind, so I like to do a voiceover most of the time, but I really wish I could do a talk through, and one day I'm gonna do a talk through tutorial with you guys. If you guys don't care about the noise, you know, I don't mind doing a talk through tutorial. And also I need a mic for my camera. I broke my mic, so I need to get a mic because my camera lens makes a lot of noise when it's focusing. So if I don't use the mic, you guys will be hearing the focus noises, and I don't like that. So yes, that is also another reason why I don't do a talk through tutorials these days, but I'll try my best to do it if you guys don't mind the noise at the background, because as I'm talking, you guys, if you pay really good attention, you will hear my daughter talking here and there, and there's nothing I can do because she's watching TV and she's mimicking what they are doing. So yeah, so today's video is going to be on this makeup look right here. Beautiful look, very simple to achieve as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to show a little bit of me doing my hair, but not too much in-depth tutorial on me doing my hair, just a little bit. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy these videos. Not further ado, let's jump into today's video. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I changed the color for this hair. This hair was blonde and I changed it to orange. I don't know if I'm feeling this color, so I just did the watercoloring method. I didn't even use warm, like hot water. I just used warm water from the tub, and then I just put the color in there and put the hair in there, and it changed to this color. So yeah, and the hair was not black, it was blonde, so that is why it took the color so well. But I don't know how I feel about this color, and I don't even know if I'm going for a straight hair today or I'm just going for, like, you know, curly hair. So we shall see. So I'm just gonna use my Got2b glue. So guys, now that I'm done doing my hair, I'm going ahead to do my brows. And guys, let me tell you, whenever I try to do my brows on camera, it doesn't come out looking right. So yeah, I went ahead to do my brows on camera and it didn't look right, so I went off camera to fix it. So right now, as you can see, I'm drawing my brows and I'm also using my mascara brush to brush through the brows, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to define my brows. I'm cleaning the brows itself and I'm just blending the concealer into my skin. So as you can see, I fixed the brows off camera, and right now I'm applying my Rimmel Stay Matte primer. I've run out of this primer, so I need to get a new one. Let me tell you, this primer is a lifesaver. It saves my oily skin. So yeah, moving on, I'm using the color Manu from my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm also going in with my color Rouge from my Jaclyn Hill palette as the transitioning color as well. And right now I'm just going in with my Urban Decay HD eye primer, and I'm just using that on the lid. I want my eyeshadow to be so pigmented, so that is why I'm doing this trick. So right now I'm just blending it into my lid. And on top of my lid, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna use the color Ofala on top of the primer, and that is gonna be pigmented because that color is really pigmented, and that is the look that I'm going for today.
Gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really wanna
So guys, all the items that I'm using in this video will be listed in the info section, so if you're interested, just check them out. But right now I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm just doing my eyeliner. I realized I needed to make my transitioning part look like a smoky effect, so I added the color Secrets on top of the transitioning shade. So right now I'm just adding a glitter that is a red glitter, and this glitter is from Amazon. I'm just adding it on top of the ring eyeliner that I did. Guys, I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, and as you can see, this lashes is bomb. I bought it from Amazon as well. I will look for it because these lashes has been, you know, I've had these lashes for a while, so I'll look to see if I still have the link. But right now I'm applying my foundation. The foundation that I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I use this foundation for a purpose. It's because I really do love it. It's a full coverage. It doesn't break me out, and also it's inexpensive. So yes, especially if I'm doing tutorials here and there. I also use Juvia's Place foundation, and that is a little bit expensive, which is $35, and you know, I like to use that one as well. But usually I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it gives me the full coverage that I'm looking for, so I don't really have to spend too much money for another foundation unless I'm being sponsored. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm blending my concealer into my skin, and the concealer that I use is Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's also a full coverage concealer. So yeah. On top of the foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the same shade as my skin tone. So this is gonna give me like a contoured look, but also, you know, it will settle down my makeup, and it's not gonna make my face too oily. So as you can see, I'm going in with the same Maybelline Fit Me powder, but this is in a lighter shade, and I'm using that on top of my concealed areas, and by doing this, it doesn't make my concealer, you know, crease. I do this before I apply my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So right now I'm using my CoverGirl HD, is it CoverGirl Cream Bronzer? Yeah, CoverGirl Cream Bronzer, and I'm using that to contour my face. I don't even use a contour stick, you know, whatever stick, to contour my face. I only use the bronzer, and I'm good to go. That is why I love my CoverGirl Cream Bronzer. This bronzer is really hard to find. I found one on Amazon, and it was very expensive. You know, I think I found this one on eBay, and it was very expensive, like $30-something, but I really do love it. So now I'm doing my mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is Wet n Wild mascara, and on top I'm going in with my lip pencil, and this lip pencil is Wet n Wild lippy pencil, but I switched it up to a lipstick, and I'm going to leave the name of the lipstick in the info section. I don't even remember the name, but I will look it up and put it in the info section, so if you're interested, just check the info section below. So on top of my lips, I'm using my Nude lipstick, and I'm just using that in between my lips. On top of my lips, I'm applying my Fenty lipstick, and I'm also dusting away my setting powder. So as you can see, I'm doing my blush, and the blush that I'm using is from my Juvia's Place palette in the color Zafar. It's it's an eyeshadow, but you can also use it as a blush. And so yeah guys, as you can see, this is the finished look. Beautiful. I did my setting spray off camera, as you can see, and I'm slaying. So guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and changed my top because the other one was dirty. So this is the finished look. Very simple. I guess it's very simple. It's not something too dramatic, because if I'm doing a dramatic look, guys, you guys will know this is dramatic, but this is a very simple look. I really do love it. You can wear this look outside. It's not like a look that is just for the internet. No, you can wear this look outside the house. So yes, I really do love it. I love the fact that it's colorful. It's giving me a vibe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos, please make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button for more upcoming videos. Stay blessed, stay safe, bye.